It doesn't look like a luxury home. It looks like something built to survive the end of the world. 6 massive wheels. An intimidating matte black body. A stance that commands respect before it even starts moving. But here's the twist. Behind those armored-looking walls is a level of comfort that feels more like a private penthouse than an expedition vehicle. So why would anyone build a machine like this? Let's step inside and find out. Most luxury vehicles are designed for smooth highways and city streets. Most motorhomes are designed for campgrounds and paved roads. This appears to be designed for something completely different. It looks created for people who don't want to choose between exploration and comfort. Imagine driving far beyond crowded tourist destinations, reaching places where there are no hotels, no traffic, and no noise, yet ending the day with all the comforts of a premium home. That idea alone changes what travel can feel like. From every angle, this vehicle projects confidence. The tall body, aggressive lines, and towering ride height create an unmistakable presence. Every surface appears purposeful, giving it the look of a mobile command center rather than a traditional RV. The 6-wheel configuration immediately stands out, suggesting stability and capability for challenging terrain. Large off-road tires, roof-mounted storage, and integrated lighting reinforce the impression that this machine was designed with serious adventures in mind. It doesn't simply arrive. It makes an entrance. But the exterior tells only half the story. The moment you step inside, the atmosphere transforms. The rugged exterior disappears, replaced by a space that feels calm, refined, and remarkably inviting. The cockpit resembles the bridge of a modern luxury vehicle, with a fully digital instrument display, a wide center screen, and controls arranged to keep everything within easy reach. Red ambient lighting traces the dashboard and doors, giving the cabin a futuristic yet sophisticated character. Move farther inside, and the experience becomes even more impressive. A spacious lounge welcomes you with premium leather seating and elegant finishes. The dining area is beautifully integrated, creating a comfortable place to enjoy meals or spend time with family and friends. The kitchen appears thoughtfully designed, with generous workspace, sleek cabinetry, and residential-style appliances that make everyday cooking feel effortless. Then, at the rear, the bedroom completes the transformation. Soft lighting, premium bedding, and carefully chosen materials create a space that feels less like a vehicle and more like a luxury hotel suite. It's hard to believe you're still inside the same machine. The real luxury here isn't just the leather, the lighting, or the design. It's freedom. Imagine waking up beside a quiet lake with no neighbors in sight, making breakfast while watching the sunrise through your own windows, working remotely from breathtaking locations, ending the day under a sky filled with stars, then walking just a few steps to your own comfortable bedroom. No reservations, no schedules, no compromises. Instead of planning your life around destinations, your destination becomes wherever you decide to stop. That's a powerful kind of luxury. This isn't just another recreational vehicle. It appears to be a statement about a different way of living. One where adventure doesn't require giving up comfort. One where luxury isn't tied to a fixed address. And one where every journey becomes part of the experience, not simply the route to a destination. Whether it's crossing remote landscapes or enjoying a quiet evening surrounded by nature, this remarkable machine is designed to make every mile feel unforgettable. The only question left is this: if this luxury fortress were yours, where would your first adventure begin? If you enjoyed this cinematic tour, be sure to subscribe for more extraordinary vehicles, luxury engineering, and the world's most incredible automotive creations. Until next time, thanks for watching.